All right, the agenda is on the sideboard. We're going to finish this, pack it up real quick, turn it in, and then you're going to take your quiz. Okay? Your quiz is on, don't do that. Your quiz is online. Okay? So, it's on writing equations. That's what we did last week. That's all it's on, is writing equations. After you finish that, you can work on your Delta Math. Your Delta Math assignment is due Monday. Okay. Please make sure that if you're not finished, that you work on your Delta Math. And your Delta Math is due Monday. All right, so let's turn to the back. You ready? Come on. Oh, what was you gonna say, baby? What was you gonna say? Did you have a question? Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, so let's look at this one. When you're finding the x-intercept, that means that that's where the line crosses the x-axis. If wherever it crosses on the x-axis, your y is equal to 0. So I'm going to abbreviate x-intercept. Anytime you're finding the x-intercept, your y-coordinate is always going to be 0. Please write that in. So we're going to substitute 0 in the place of y. So that's negative x plus 0 equals 4. All right. So in order to get x by itself, we got to get rid of the negative 1. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 1. This is going to give me now positive x is equal to what number? Negative 4. So the ordered pair is going to be negative 4, comma 0. That's going to be your x-intercept. That's going to be where the line crosses the x-axis. So go over to negative 4, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0. So it crosses right here. Now we're finding our y-intercept. We're going to find our y-intercept. I'm going to abbreviate intercept. This is where the line crosses the y-axis this time. If it crosses the y-axis, x is equal to 0. Okay, so now we're going to plug in 0 for x. So we got negative 0 plus y is equal to 4. Okay, so in order to get y, negative 0 or 0, y minus 0 is just going to give me y. So y is equal to 4. So my ordered pair here is going to be 0, comma, positive 4. So 0 right here on the origin and go up 1, 2, 3, 4. And so when you connect these 2 points, you're able to draw the line. Any questions about how to use the 2 intercepts to graph the equation? Yes, baby.
So if you're solving y,
Bless you.
x is always equal to 0.
That is correct, and vice versa. Very good. All right, we ready? Do I need to pause? Y'all need more time to write? Okay. Let me know when you're finished. Okay, good folks, let's do this. We're finding the x-intercept first. Remember, if we're finding the x-intercept, your y is equal to what? 0. So you're going to plug 0 in for y. You got 9x equals negative 18 plus 3 times 0. Of course, 3 times 0 is going to be 0. Okay? So I'm solving for x. I'm going to divide both sides by 9. And I'm going to get x is equal to a negative what? 2. Say again? Oh, okay. You're okay, baby. All right, so when we do this, we're going to get what? Negative 2, comma 0. So we got negative 2, that's to the left, 1, 2. 0 means you don't go up or down, okay? This is where it crosses the x-axis.
So y equals 0, right?
Y is always equal to 0 when you're finding the x-intercept. Now let's find the y-intercept, okay? Let's find the y-intercept. All right, so with the y-intercept, x is equal to 0. Sorry, I lost my train of thought for a second. So we got 9 times 0 is equal to negative 18 plus 3y. So let's solve for y. This side is 0. What are we going to do to get y by itself? Not yet. Add 18. Add 18 first. Do you understand that, baby? So now when you add 18, this gives you 3y. Now what are you going to do to get y by itself? Now you divide by 3. So what's 18? What you going to say? Go ahead.
This is like, isn't it like the multi-step?
It's like solving an equation. It is. Multi-step equation. All right, so when you divide both sides by 3, what's 18 divided by? Yes, it is 6. So my ordered pair is going to be 0, 6. So 0 on the x is here. Positive 6 is up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to draw a line. Oh, Jesus. All right, so good. I finished those two. I need you to finish the other ones. All right, so you needed me to do warm up. Which one, Mason? Which one?
Wednesday and today.
Thursday. We don't have to do Thursday.
Oh, then just yesterday.
I did yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah.
I don't remember. I do not remember. No, I was here yesterday. I don't remember you going over it.
All right, I will read it again, okay? All right, so if you're finished, please take out your laptop and start your quiz. I'm going to go through this with him really quickly. Shh. I need you to finish the 3 problems that we have left first, okay? And then I want you to work on your quiz. All right, so it says a local clothing store is marking down the summer clothing by 75%, okay? Keisha would like to purchase, I know, Mason wanted to see it again. Okay. All right. So the original price was $80. Okay. When she gets to the register, she signs up for a loyalty card for an additional 10%. How much did she spend on a swimsuit, and what was the total percent she received off? So you got to do $80 times the 85%. So they got to take off $68. So they're going to say $80 minus the $68. So she's going to pay $12 at the register. Do you understand that? Okay. Makes sense? All right. Yes, baby. All right, let me see. I don't know what's going on with that. All right. Any other questions before I close out my video? Somebody's at the door. Can you put my phone back on the hook? Thanks. Yes. Who? Caitlin. I don't know who Caitlin is. No Caitlin, okay. Unless it's the girl with the headphones. It's tap to make sure. I don't know if it's girl. No, okay. No, baby.
Shut up.